Hola amigos, we are The Roots. In this vlog we are sharing with you the ups and downs of our mission to travel and experience as much from life as possible. Please join us on this our journey. So, Mr. Root, where are we up to now?
On today's episode, we're on our final push in preparation to raise the roof.
Hi, the Traveling Roots, here one more time. Brian doesn't want to do the video today, but we are doing the video today. Hi. What are we doing today, baby?
We're doing our final prep work so we can raise the roof tomorrow morning.
Yay, which is what we're doing.
Drilling holes, cleaning sheet metal so we can weld on it,
Yes.
and removing some sheet metal that's over the emergency door.
Yes, and the emergency door,
Yes.
which we kind of did 2 days ago. The door is off the
We
frame.
removed the door, but now we have to remove the sheet metal that covers the door frame.
Got it. And the frame. No, papi, we're not going to use that. Okay,
That's it.
that's it?
Prep work. A lot of prep work.
Okay,
We got hours.
awesome.
Tomorrow morning.
Okay, yay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's have fun.
As part of the preparation towards raising the roof, all the side lighting needed to be removed. Let's just say Ethan had fun with all the tools. The part that wasn't fun was removing all the extra cables left after we removed all the emergency lights. So you may be wondering why to remove the emergency door? Well, we really don't need it, and it's another entry point or access point to secure on the bus later on. And it also affected the functionality of the interior layout. So we will seal it, don't worry, you'll see in future videos.
Tu beso en mí, mi amor. Ya no dejes de mirarme, que ya me gusta quién soy. Contigo me siento en control. Eres el balance en este mundo, poco humor. Se volvió ese chico que habló en mis canciones. Esas madrugadas y hermosas conversaciones. Se volvió ese chico.
The kids' help was crucial on all this. Their help carrying things up and down was priceless.
Volverlo a ver. Tú me ves como nadie más
There was more grinding to be done here and there.
Quedarme, tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme.
Eso eres tortolito, no queda bien, bebé.
At this point, the grinder and I were in, just say, good terms.
No cambia y eso es lo que es él. Pero tú lo viste, mi amor. Tú viste mi mejor versión. Tú hiciste lo que nadie quería. Ser para mis poesías. Siento que tú solo sabes. Chico con par de maldades.
Little that I knew that my hours on the grinder will increase exponentially in my near future. Suck.
Tus que siento reales. Yo lo prefiero que en un largo tiempo sea tu caballero.
Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme. Se volviese.
Thank you for hanging out with us today. Please give us a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. And until next time, hasta luego, amigos.